Understanding, I own up to it, an English phrase explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, specifically exploring the meaning and usage of, I own up to it. This phrase is a gem in conversational English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. Let's get started. The phrase, I own up to it, is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to accept responsibility or admit to doing something, usually something wrong or embarrassing. When someone says this, they are acknowledging their actions and are willing to face any consequences. It's a sign of honesty and accountability. To fully grasp the phrase, let's see it in action. 1. After making a mistake at work, I made an error in the report, but I own up to it and will correct it. 2. In personal relationships, yes, I forgot our anniversary, and I own up to it. I'm truly sorry. These examples show how the phrase is used to admit mistakes and take responsibility in various situations. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: admit to, acknowledge, take responsibility for, confess to. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but may carry slightly different connotations. Be careful not to confuse, I own up to it, with, I own it. The latter is more about possessing something and doesn't imply responsibility for an action. I own up to it is a powerful phrase that shows maturity and integrity. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and usage in everyday English. Remember, owning up to our mistakes is a vital part of communication and personal growth. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.